Okay, so I just wanted to illustrate to you about assembly order of tetrahedra. And where's the camera thing? So here I'm just doing the roof parts, the curved part here on this one. And it is going to go onto this stable base here, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is flat. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So what I've had to do is identify which of these 4 nodes goes down creates a tetrahedra, is triangulated down onto base. And let's look at this one. That's numbered B2, back box 2. One of the rods goes down to there, but the other 2 go to things that are in midair, so that one is eliminated. What about this one? No, this one has 2 things again that go from there to there, so that one's eliminated. What about this one? No, again, this one's eliminated because it has a rod going from there to there, so it cannot be stable because that's not stable. Therefore, anything connected to it will not be stable. So if that is not installed, then this cannot be stable. If that is not installed, then this or that cannot be stable. You get the general idea. What about this one? R13 down to there, R50 down to there, R80 down to there. Yes. All right. So here's one I prepared earlier. Wrestling. Yeah. Stay. Stay. Sit. Good bamboo pipes. Okay, all right, so once that one, and the really interesting thing that I loved about this is you get a cascade effect. Right? That's now in, but you can't put this one in because that one isn't in. But you can put this one in, and you can't put that one in because that one and that one are not in. But you can put this one in because that one's now in. So, R1. Balancing act. Ta-da. So this one is now up at an angle on that, but resting on that and that. Turns out that the same thing happens with this one at this corner. Is that right? Wrong. Yeah, this one. Because it can now go against those 2 and against the bottom here. So I'm just going to this one in very delicately. This will probably collapse, to be honest. I'm just going to rest. No, it's under. It'll have to be glued under its own weight. It's dropping down, but you get the idea. And finally, that leaves the 3rd one there. So it's a really interesting cascade of pieces that I think, and so it goes effectively in a spiral. It goes up and round, a series of in the tetrahedra things. But that gives the idea. You have to identify the order first, and it is actually possible to do.